It's a 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rear view mirror, heated steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, integrated navigation system, hands-free liftgate, remote engine start smart device, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Chevrolet, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.